Hi guys, so right now on the way tayo ng Ayala Malls Manila Bay para subukan yung bagong bukas doon ng car wash. I think this is the first underground car wash dito sa Pinas, and based on nakikita ko online sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sobrang ganda ng car wash na to, and based on reviews naman, pulido daw sila gumawa doon. So I'm very excited to try it out and share my experience with you guys. Alright guys, so once you arrive, sasalubungin kayo ng crew nila and then i-assist kayo going to the cashier kung saan may mili kayo kung anong klaseng service yung gusto nyong i-avail. And then after the payment, you have to surrender your keys kasi may designated driver sila to drive your car around the establishment. Just make sure to keep the stub na ibibigay sa inyo dahil you'll be needing this to claim the keys of your car after the service. So just a quick tour guys, first thing you'll see is their coating area. And then on the left side, they have their drying area. And then sa dulo naman yung wash area. And on the right, they have their showroom kung saan may mga naka-display na sports car and big bikes. And based sa TikTok, pwede kayo mag-quick photoshoot dyan after the car wash. It just happens na occupied yung space nung pumunta ako. They also have a cafe or lounge area wherein you guys can stay while waiting. So meron din silang TV dito wherein you can supervise your car without going to the wash area. So again, this is located at the basement 1 parking of Ayala Malls Manila Bay. So since it's a Sunday, medyo matagal yung waiting time, but ayan, finally, it's my turn. So they drove my car going to the wash area. I really admire the space of their facility. Kitang-kita nyo naman, napakaluwag. So there's enough space between vehicles, so hindi siya masyadong congested. And napakaliwanag dito guys, kita nyo naman very well lit yung space nila. So kitang-kita nila yung inuhugasan nila. One more thing na nagustuhan ko dito is they use the 2-bucket method to wash your car. And di nang isa yung naghuhugas ng kotse nyo. So you can expect na mabilis yung paghugas ng kotse nyo without compromising the quality. So for now guys, I'll just roll a montage of the whole process. Guys, so tapos na tayo magpa-car wash sa 1118 Auto Spa. So very satisfied naman ako sa gawa nila. Bali ang binayaran ko pala is 500 pesos. Regular car wash lang yun. Meron silang ibang services like with wax and may ceramic coating din sila doon. Siguro ilalagay ko na sa screen yung rates ng mga services nila. So for pickups and SUV, 500 pesos yung babayaran nyo for regular wash. And for 500 pesos, para sa akin, worth it naman yun. Kasi when it comes to quality of work or quality of service, maganda naman yun pagkakalinis nila sa kotse. And I think gumagamit sila ng 3-bucket method pag sinasabon yung kotse. So mahalaga yun para hindi masyadong magasgas yung pintura. Sa drying area naman nila, kita nyo naman guys, napakalinis, napaka-organize nila sa gamit. And minimake sure nila na talagang tuyo yung kotse nyo. Kasi gumagamit sila doon ng parang blower, yung parang baril nila ng hangin. So sa ibang car wash diba, wala naman silang ganun. Pag uuwi kayo, may mga watermarks na tumutulo pa. So doon, gumagamit sila ng ganun. So for 500 pesos, worth it na siya kasi kompleto ko equipment nila, maganda yung place. And mababait yung mga staff nila. So you're not only paying for the car wash, binabayaran nyo rin yung, syempre yung place, yung ambience. Kita nyo naman sobrang daming sports cars, pwede kayo mag sightseeing and all. yun, if gusto nyo subukan guys, punta lang kayo dun sa basement 1 parking ng Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Medyo pricey siya compared to other regular car wash, pero kita nyo naman ibang iba siya sa regular car wash. And ang maganda pa doon, nasa loob siya ng mall, so habang naghihintay pwede kayo mag-ikot-ikot sa mall. Ang advice ko lang siguro, if pupunta kayo doon, pwede kayo set ng appointment, kasi nung pagkadating ko doon kanina pang 11 ako, so inaabot ata ako ng 2 to 3 hours bago mahugasan yung kotse ko. So yun, pwede kayo magpa-appointment or pwede kayo tumawag sa kanila na mag-walk-in kayo for that day. Quality yung shop, quality yung mga equipment nila, and then quality rin yung mga gumagawa. Halatang maingat sila sa kotse and very experienced sila sa paghugas ng kotse. So yun lang, good job sa 1118 Auto Spa. If nagustuhan nyo tong video na to guys, please make sure to hit that like button.